Hi you guys, this is me on Fitness Day. So if you have watched my previous video, you would know that I am doing FR currently, and to be specific, I am on financial instrument right now, and I can't tell you how lengthy this chapter is. I feel like I'm doing this chapter since eternity now. It's not coming to its end. Like, I'm so frustrated, I don't know why. Like, I knew FR is the lengthiest subject, that's why we start it first, but this chapter in particular is the lengthiest so far. So I try to watch 2 lectures per day, but I think I'll be busy tomorrow and I won't be able to watch a lecture tomorrow. So I'll be trying to complete one extra lecture today. So let's get this done. Hi, this is me on Thursday. As I said, I won't be able to watch lectures today, but I wanted to share my highlights from today. So I completed this book, The Song of Achilles by Madeline Miller. I was introduced to this book by my friend and I totally love this book. If you are into Greek mythological fiction or have read anything about Trojan War, you should definitely give it a try. So basically, this book narrates the story of Greek hero Achilles and his companion Patroclus from the perspective of Patroclus and what event leads them to the Trojan War. And my next read is The Bell Jar by Sylvia Plath. I have read something about the fig analogy and I was intrigued by this, so I wanted to give this book a try. I will let you know when I complete this. I completed 2 lectures today और अब फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट में 3 क्लासेस बची हैं जो कि सैटरडे संडे में कंप्लीट हो जानी चाहिए। तो जो मेरा मेन गोल था इस वीक का फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट कंप्लीट करना, वो अचीव हो जाएगा बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस वीक। मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं कल छुट्टी करूँगी क्योंकि आई फील ऑफ सीज़न में ऑफिस में दिन निकालना देन बिजी सीज़न में ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट है। एक तो तुम 5-6 महीना रेगुलरली सुबह से शाम तक काम कर रहे हो और फिर थोड़ा आइडल बैठना या फ्री बैठना थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है। तो मेरा कल जाने का बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं है, पर देखते हैं, अगर मेरा सुबह जाने का मन होगा तो मैं चली जाऊँगी, नहीं मन होगा तो मैं छुट्टी कर लूँगी। सो सी यू टुमारो। Me on Saturday and I took a day off from office today और आज मैंने पूरा दिन चिल किया और मैं मार्केट गई थी। I got some stuff done but just now I got done with 2 lectures of financial instrument और अब मेरा सिर्फ एक लेक्चर बचा है 2 घंटे का जो कि संडे को कंप्लीट हो जाएगा और फाइनली वो चैप्टर भी कंप्लीट हो जाएगा इतने टाइम बाद। एंड टुमारो इज़ संडे और मैंने अब तक कुछ प्लान किया भी नहीं है और कहीं जाना भी नहीं है। सो आई थिंक इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी स्लो एंड रिलैक्सिंग संडे। Today is Sunday and last day of this video. So my main goal for this week was to complete financial instrument, and the first thing I did this morning was to complete the last pending lecture, which took me around 2 to 3 hours. So yes, we are done with the main goal of this week. So I completed lecture early in the morning to have entire day by myself, and I just slept through the entire day. And now this is evening time and nobody's at home, so we are going to make dinner to surprise them. So I am planning to cook plum jam and soya pulao, which have been on my feed for a long time now. So let's get cooking.